Morbark tub grinder. It's got a 12-cylinder cat engine, working in cohesion with our cat loader 962H. All the wood that is brought to our site to be recycled, the clean wood is run through the tub grinder and turned into wood chip, which is later turned into mulch. This is the first phase of grinding. Grinding occurs twice. The nickel grind and the silver grind. It's hard to talk because of the amount of wood chips dust blowing my face. This is probably the worst place to be standing. I don't even know why I'm doing this though. Okay. It's a pile of wood. Landscapers, homeowners, all bring it to us in Milford. We also have containers that we'll bring to your house that you can fill with yard debris, waste wood, lumber, as long as it's not painted, logs obviously, and brush.